Welcome to another episode of my One Leica, One Wife, our Vietnam life. In this series, I take you guys out on the streets of Hanoi with my wife. She's Vietnamese, I'm American. And we go hunting for a picture and we show you something about Vietnam. And the ultimate goal is for me to take one picture that I'm sort of proud of and share it with you guys and give you some photography tips along the way as well. Today I'll be shooting with my Leica M10D here. Why I'm holding it like this. And I'm taking a 50mm Samilux lens with me, a good low light lens, and we're going for a swim. I'm gonna take you guys with us there, because no one needs to see me with my shirt off. That definitely doesn't need to be on the internet. And then we're gonna go to, where are we going, babe? Dong Xuan Market? What? Dong Xuan Market we're going, which is a old school market, sells fabric, sells all sorts of different things. It's like kind of touristy, but not really. Vietnamese go there to buy fabric. Tourists go there to watch Vietnamese buy fabric, I guess. It's an interesting place. I take my workshop students there. For those of you that are watching, I do have a workshop in December. It's 5 participants only. You can sign up now if you want. There's only 4 slots left for December. Wife is on time today. Love it. She has to be on time because we have a class at 8:30. She's kind of on time. We're gonna leave, babe, in a minute. All right, well, we'll see you at the market after our little swim. Here she comes, Miss Vietnam. Here she comes.
I like this. It's better around the other side when you filmed me when I was sleeping.
What's the plan, Stan?
What?
You're on.
We just finished coffee. You need to tell me. We just finished coffee. We do regular iced latte with oatmeal today, and then we are heading to the market. And Justin is having a crazy idea, which I kind of like it and not like it at the same time. You can see today I'm wearing this with the purpose of work myself into his final photo. But he just has a crazy idea, guys. He said that he's only pressed his button to take the photograph today once. So I need to be working very hard, to work myself in the final photo, which I don't even know that if you want to point the camera to myself.
All right, so we're about to hop on the bike. We're going to Dong Xuan Market. Is that how I say it?
Dong Xuan Market.
Dong Xuan Market.
No, it's Dong Xuan Market.
Did I hold it long enough? All right, we'll go into market. I am gonna try this today. I'm gonna try to actually only click the shutter once. Like normally I do, I show you one or I pick one, but today I'm only gonna take one picture and see how that goes. So that means it's gonna be very selective. I don't know how it's gonna change me, but I like to change my modality to taking pictures sometimes, to change my way of thinking, to get out of creative rut. So this would be a good way to do that. So I'll take one picture and that's it. The light's not great, so I'll have to look for some sort of moment, some great color.
Be careful, this is we go one way, so very slow.
All right, here's the market. I'm gonna stay true to the one photo thing, so which means my strategy there will be to look around a lot first. Talk to these ladies behind me. But I'm gonna send you over to Q to give you a little explanation of what this market's all about.
So this is Dong Xuan Market, one of the very old market. Oh, I forgot which year that it was built, but it was on fire one of the time, like 10 years ago, and then this is the rebuilt, not the old one. The old one looks more charming and nice, in my opinion. So basically, anything you need, you can come to Dong Xuan Market, from garments, clothing, fabric, food, medicines, souvenirs, fake watches, meaning fake stuff, all sort of different things. That's not fake. Basically, Dong Xuan Market is the place you come, and then a lot of people doing business here. There's a lot of small shops, so you can come in and see. Basically, Dong Xuan Market is your destination if you want anything.
All right, since I'm only gonna take one shot, and I have a digital camera without a screen, the M10D here, it makes it even more challenging. I can't really see what I'm shooting. So first thing I'm gonna do is just do a little lap around and look for light. If I see something with light, a little pocket of light, interesting light, then I'm gonna try to focus on that.
This is you just testing?
I don't like this. I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna stay true to it.
Okay, so you just test?
What I'll do is just stay true to it. I'll take a photo with my phone.
No, that's not fair.
Just to show you what I almost took. I like this guy here. The framing's nice. The light's decent.
5-star service. Food come to you and follow you. Food follow you. So I don't know, Dong Xuan Market is always the place that I like a lot when I was small. Oh.
But this is a good time to tell you about a little game my wife and I play. I don't know if this is a good game or not, but when you see her just go and shoot something, we have this game. A lot of people like to wear leopard print here, leopard and cheetah print and
Zebra
print. And so we have this little game when I call it safari, a safe safari. I'm not an advocate of killing animals or people, but I think in this situation it's kind of fun. So anytime we see someone wearing leopard print, zebra print, or any animal print, we have this competition of who gets to shoot them first, you get a point. So we might go out for a drive and be like, oh, shoot. So people just, if you see us around the city shooting people with a fake gun.
See? Food lady serving food for people. She's bringing food to whoever orders it, but she's bringing it to you. Like 5-star service with a very affordable price. And you have crunchy lady. And you have a photographer. I need to show you guys this. You can even buy your your underwear on the street in the Xuan market, guys. Look at the ladies over here. I told you, the Xuan market, everything you need.
We have a men's here.
But
Any men bras for me?
but do you mean what do you know what I mean about anything you need?
Bras, food.
And then dry squid.
In the last 8 seconds, I saw bras for sale, scrunchies, wallets, fish, and fruit.
Is it your shot? One click. One click.
No, I like it. It's 5 years in there. We haven't done a full lap yet. And I like the shot here of this guy making noodles. Nice little scene. Lights decent. Background's decent. It's a very Vietnam scene. Very good scene for the market. So, no, not going to take this picture. Going to do a full lap around. And then come back and consider this picture.
But Justin, you need to consider maybe when you come back, he will finish his work and he's not going to be here anymore. So what happened if you press a button, Justin?
And I take no more.
Ah!
I did it. I did it. I took it.
Without telling me?
There's a lady with a conical hat going by, so I wanted a foreground layer. And shit, I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. We'll see. I'm not gonna take another one without. I'll take one on my phone, but that's it.
You surprised me. I didn't get to film the moment you press a button.
Let's go have a look.
Press the button and then I supposed to film it, but I didn't catch the moment because I was just looking around, guys. So he's going to check the photos now. That is one chance and that's it for the day. Whew. I'm excited to see what he got though. Woo.
Genuinely, I really don't know. I mean, the safe shot was just him, but there was a lady with a conical hat going by in the foreground, and it's just gonna happen. I was like, ah, screw it, and I took it. So I don't know. She might be like too blobby in the foreground. All right, so I'm loading the shot in, and I think my timing was quite good. People are gonna think this is BS.
What do you mean?
I mean, people will think that like I
It's not
took
one
other
shot?
shots.
No, I am the witness.
Now the safe shot I initially thought I would take was just this guy cooking the grilled meat, right, on the side of his fork. And I was gonna take a lap and go around. My wife said, "Oh, you might not be grilling when you come back." So I said, "All right, let's get this now because I like it. Good enough." But I still want layers in my shot in the foreground. So there was a woman wheeling by a trolley, which is very much what the market's about. People moving stuff, taking stuff around, working. She got the conical hat. I always like the conical hat. And it's right there.
Yes, I see the shot. It's actually a very nice shot, Justin.
I'm happy about it. I do wish that I caught her a second earlier. Fun limitation today. We didn't have a lot of time, so 15 minutes coming here, getting one shot. Quite happy with the color, happy with the light, happy with the moment. I'm just happy with myself, unlike last episode. So maybe I'll do this more often. Maybe that'll be my thing. I'll be an assignment photographer when I say yeah, but I only take one shot and I'm out.
So we are on the way home, and then obviously my trying to wear the whole white outfit to come in the market just doesn't cut it. Obviously, I did not make it to the one image, guys. So maybe I need to try another better attempt next time. So that's it for me
You
today.
weren't authentic. Oh yeah, you weren't authentic. Like there's a lot of ladies in white linen, white flowing linen in a dirty market.
I'm Vietnamese. I was born and raised. I'm authentic, guys.